Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I will show you how to add add-ons on Stremio. So let's get started. Once you open Stremio, you'll see the same interface on both the app and the web. The first thing you want to do is go to the add-ons section. Here you'll see two options, official add-ons and community add-ons. I highly recommend using official add-ons. They're safe, legal, and they won't harm your device or compromise your personal data. Community add-ons, on the other hand, could sometimes be risky. Some of them might not be legal, and a few could even access your private information. So make sure you know what you're installing and be responsible. Now, let's look at some examples. One great official add-on is Cinemeta. It's like a big catalog that brings together your favorite content from Netflix, Disney+, HBO, and more, all in one place. Another useful add-on is Open Subtitles. It gives you access to lots of subtitles for your movies and shows, so you can easily install it and watch in your preferred language. To install any add-on, just click on it, then hit the install button. That's it. It'll appear automatically in your Stremio library. The process is exactly the same whether you're using the app or the browser version. If you decide to explore community add-ons, make sure to do some research first. Some might be completely fine, like certain radio or music add-ons, but always double-check that they're legal and safe. And that's how you can easily add add-ons to Stremio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.